Hello watch people, this is Hector with Winding Crowns, and today we have an unboxing and then the review later to come. I'm excited about this one, but first, roll the intro. Hello watch people, my name is Hector and welcome to Winding Crowns. And we're back guys, I am wearing the Timex Ironman. Love this watch. Anyway guys, it is in this little package, so I will open it right quick. By the title on the thumbnail, you should already know what this watch is. Go. Look what we have here. All right, guys. What is it? What is it? What is it? We shall find out what it is together. Oh, nice supple leather. I can smell the leather and it's very supple, as you can see. Look at that, very supple. It says Swiss Watch Company, SWC. There it is. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are straps. Oh, look at that. See that? Very cool Velcro strap in like a olive drab green, kind of military looking. And you have a warranty card, and it's got an extra, I believe that is a curved spring bar. Let's see why there's a reason for that. Look at that, guys. And here's it's slightly different green. Very cool. Look at that. You see how this works? You have one curved spring bar here. Look at that. Swiss made. Swiss made, all titanium. You have the logo in the middle, Swiss Watch Company. This one's called the Ark, sapphire crystal, 10 atmospheres. You see it's 100 meters, which would be 330 feet. Look at that, guys. So see what's happening here, right? You have a spring bar, and it's being held there. Then you have the other curved spring bar, and you run it through, and then you just lock it into place like that, and there you go. Look at that dial. It's a little quartz piece, so you have that running seconds at 6 o'clock. You have the logo, the Swiss Watch Company at 12, and then you have your indices in your 3 o'clock date window. Very cool, guys. And look how thin that is. I don't want to speak too much on it because, well, then there won't be a review, right? But very cool. Anyway, guys, I really dig in this one. I am really excited. I've never had the other one, the bunker. I like to have the bunker on the channel. The bunker's slightly bigger, I believe, like maybe 42, 41, 42. This one, I believe, is around 39, 38. Let me see. Yeah, 38.9. So I'm going to call it 39. Very cool, guys. Loving it. Anyway, guys, more to come on this one. I am glad you were with me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and yeah, review to come soon. Thanks for being with me, guys. I appreciate Swiss Watch Company for sending this out. Thank you, sir. And more to come later. I appreciate you being with me, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon so you're notified of the next video. Tell your friends about the channel so they can go ahead and subscribe and enjoy it as well. And leave comments. Leave comments. I enjoy reading your comments, guys, and I like engaging with you guys. So, by the way, I'm approaching the 500 subscriber mark, so there'll be a giveaway pretty soon. So just subscribe if you haven't, and then I will do a random generator and pick a winner. So thanks for being with me, guys, and remember, never stop winding craft.